चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Shifting focus to the thoughts penned down by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah has reacted to those thoughts which were penned down on 1st June between 4:15 p.m. and 7 p.m. during his return flight from Kanyakumari to the national capital. Taking to the social media, Shah said, and I quote, "Our efforts will create a strong foundation for the coming generations, taking Bharat to new heights." Prime Minister's blog to learn more about Bharat's next giant leap to greatness. Well, viewers, an excerpt from Prime Minister's note reads, and I quote, "My mind is filled with so many experiences and emotions. I feel a boundless flow of energy within myself. The 2024 Lok Sabha elections are the first in Amrit Kal. I began my campaign a few months ago from Meerut, the land of first War of Independence of 1857. This I'm quoting the Prime Minister, viewers. Since then, I have traversed across the length and breadth of our great nation. The final rally of these elections took me to Hoshiarpur in Punjab, the land of great gurus and a land associated with Sant Ravidas Ji. After that, I came to Kanyakumari at the feet of Ma Bharti." Well, viewers, we are trying to connect to our colleague to get us more details on the thoughts that the Prime Minister has penned down. These are the thoughts that he penned down on 1st June between 4:15 to 7 p.m. during his return flight from Kanyakumari to the national capital. Well, we are shifting focus now. The Prime Minister has returned to New Delhi after his 45-hour-long meditation in Kanyakumari's Vivekanand Rock Memorial. The Prime Minister sprung back into work mode within hours of his return. He planned 7 meetings with top bureaucrats and a brainstorming session to review the plan for the first 100 days of his expected third term. Take a look at this report for more details.
4 जून को
A hectic 75-day election campaign in which Prime Minister Modi held 206 public events. Followed by 45 hours of solitude, meditating at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari. The Prime Minister seemed calm and fully energized for the monumental challenge ahead of him. He returned from Kanyakumari to Delhi on Saturday and is now back at work. Sources inside the government informed Republic that the PM is holding 7 meetings today. He will later hold a long brainstorming session to review the agenda for the first 100 days of his third term. These visuals are from the 21st of February. PM Modi had begun planning for the first 100 days of his third term before he was even assured of it. Even in the heat of the 2024 poll campaign, the Prime Minister was supremely confident about coming back to power.
आज जितनी मेहनत करता हूं, उतनी ही मेहनत 4 जून के बाद भी जारी रहेगी। और इसलिए 100 दिन में क्या करना है, इसका ब्लूप्रिंट रेडी करके हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
The exit polls also predict a record victory for the NDA, assuring Prime Minister Modi of a third term. And the Prime Minister has made it clear that all tough decisions will be taken in the first 100 days of his new government.
Hello, Moto.
Motorola, India's best 5G smartphone brand.
We are getting in quick news alert from Uttar Pradesh's Varanasi, where Hindu petitioners in the Gyan Vapi case offered prayers, praying for Prime Minister Modi and BJP victory. In fact, we have a reaction coming in. Let's listen into that.